So I'd like to talk about problems in Argentina and specifically the tissue market. So we see at the moment, value sales in current terms increasing by about 30% in 2013. So tissue seems to be doing really, really well in Argentina, but it's a bit of a misnomer. Most of this has been driven by inflation. Argentina's got an incredible inflation problem at the moment. So we take the bottom 30% of society, the consumers who should really be driving tissue volumes. We're saying that generally their income increased between 2007 and 2012 by about 230%, which is an incredible rate. But the inflation or the price of goods that these consumers are purchasing went up by on average 280% over the same period. So we're seeing this general lack of purchasing power or decrease in purchasing power in this crucial sort of demographic, especially for tissue paper development. Argentina's got a key problem here, and we're seeing that the government stepped in trying to introduce pricing controls on 500 leading brands. So all the leading brands of toilet tissue, for example, have been included in these pricing controls through leading retailers such as Carrefour. Part of the problem with this is that because there's so little margin associated with tissue under price controls, manufacturers just simply stop making these products. So we're seeing a real increase in private label and sort of no-frill brands developing. Also, consumers shifting their retailers from supermarkets and hypermarkets through the hard discounters, much more in keeping with the German model of retailing. So we're seeing quite a lot of change, and we're seeing availability problems. We don't really know how long the price controls will last, but we see this only being a very short-term fix. If you look north of Argentina to Venezuela, where again pricing controls have been introduced, there's been a great drying up of tissue availability, so much so that the Venezuelan military have recently got involved in toilet tissue production, for example. That's how bad things can get. We're not approaching that at the moment with Argentina, but if things continue in this current process of high inflation, leading to hyperinflation, we can see that things are going to get a whole lot worse. One point to consider in Argentina is, however, that they still have quite a high prevalence of bidets within the Argentinian bathroom. It's quite unique in South America. And as a result, we could actually see the future where consumers trade out of toilet tissue and start using the bidet, which has generally been seen as bathroom decoration up to now, but might become more central to consumers' toilet habits in the near future.